Good morning, everybody. It's Peach over here at Crooked Peach. And it is raining. It's been raining all night long, and it should be raining most of the day today, which is not the way the chickens are going to want it. The geese will be really happy. I'm cold. I'm very cold. But that's the thing. When you want to live, when you want to live like the way that I'm trying to live, the weather doesn't matter. The animals can't let themselves out. So, but man, I don't want to be out here right now. It's after 7, and it's just so dark and cloudy and rainy. Ooh, y'all. Oh, I'm so chilly. Let me see if you guys want to hang out. Oh no, yeah, see, look, I have mud puddles in here. I will have to get out here today and get some of this covered with wood chips, more wood chips. And, hi, baby girl. You like sleeping by yourself. I don't know why. Let's get these guys out. Oh, I'm really cold. Hi, babies. Good morning. I know. I'm sorry. I wish I could stop the rain. I cannot. No. Come on, ladies. I'm going to sit you right here. Here. Y'all, don't knock over the camera, please. Oof. Alright, let me go see if I can take care of this, guys. I don't even know what you can see. I hope you can see something. If not, I apologize. Y'all, don't fight. Stop that. Lacey, why are you always so mean to Pecky? Stop it. Hey, pretty baby. Oh. Sorry, baby girl. Oh, yes, so mean in the morning. This is, oh. Well, I made quick work of this. The rain, because the rain filled up all the waters with fresh water. I'm gonna go hang these lamps. These are little solar lamps that I got at, Tractor Supply. I don't know, it was years ago. I really need to do something about maybe replacing the solar cells or something, but this is, I use these to just give them a little, a little bit of light at night. Well, it's mainly for the geese because the geese don't see well in the dark. So that they can see, where to go in the door of their coop. Oh, Lordy. God, it's so cold. Oh my gosh. And again, these are not going to charge today. I'm going to go and see if I can find that kitty cat, because he's an outdoor cat. And I don't know what else I'm going to get into today. But, thank you. Thank you so much for hanging out. I really appreciate you so much. I look forward to seeing you again. Oh, no. Okay, bye guys, bye. Oh, the bees are not going to be pleased today. It'll be all right.